Hey guys and gals, just starting to put my 62-door window delivery wagon back together here, and in the process I discovered that the lower bearing in my steering column was completely shot. See how it moves up and down? Anyway, I don't think there's any bearing left in there. So I got on YouTube and searched around and searched, and I couldn't find anybody that could help me out on this, like a 59 to 60 steering column, how to replace that lower bearing. So actually came out to the shop and messed around with it a little bit and speed this operation up a little bit. I have a junk steering column out of a 60 Biscayne, and I started playing around with it, trying to figure out how to get that, replace that bearing. Well, this lower U-joint here is probably heat pressed on from the factory, and I beat on it, and I tried to get it out of the shaft here so I could get this bearing out, but it wouldn't come out. I beat on it, and there's no way to come apart. Well, in the process of doing that, I found out that I could actually pull the whole steering shaft out of here. I'm going to set this down. So you just pull the whole shaft out of there. And that gives you access to the bearing and the collar. You just take these two bolts out, one on either side, and that allows you to slip the bearing and collar out of there. And there's a little ball bearing inside of there. And all you do is replace that, buy a new one, shove it back in there, put the bolt in, stick the steering shaft back in there, shove it all the way up to the top, and as long as you're doing it, you might as well replace this this upper bearing also, because they also get wore out too. So you'll have to pull the column out to do this, because you can't get that shaft out with the column in the car. So it's a little bit of a battle, but it's worth the work. So hope this helped some of you guys out on this one. Okay, thanks.